So in this video, I want to show you how to use the find and replace feature within Google Sheets. So I have my data right here, and what I want to do is remove the parentheses from the colors in these descriptions in these cells. So what I'm going to do is highlight all these cells. I'm going to hit Control H, and right now the find and replace feature pops up. So what I want to do is I want to find the open parentheses and I'm going to replace it with nothing. So when I do that, it replaces the open parentheses. I'm going to do the same thing for close parentheses, place all those, and I'm going to remove the space and I'm going to replace that with a dash. And watch what happens when I click replace all. So everywhere there was a space is now a dash. Also, using the find and replace feature, you can like remove middle names like from this data set, and I can show you how to do that. I want to highlight all those names, hit Control H. And so like what I'm going to use to remove the middle names is this special little feature called search using regular expressions feature. And when I click that, I have the ability to use special expressions to remove and replace data using like special characters. So for find, I'm going to use this little expression here. This expression basically what it's doing is looking for the first characters. This is representing characters. This period and the plus sign is representing like the first name, and I put it in parentheses because I want to keep that. This represents the middle name. It's not in parentheses because I want to remove that, and this represents the last name. And what I'm going to replace it with is I'm going to use this particular expression. This expression is basically saying find in these cells names with the first, middle, and last names and replace it with this expression, which basically means I want to keep the first name and replace the middle name with the last name. If you want to know the detail behind these expressions, if you click on the help button, you can scroll down and read all this information here. Once I enter these expressions here, I click replace all and the middle names are removed and you're left with the first and last names. We can do something similar here. Like I want to replace the colors in parentheses. I want to replace all that. So I'm going to highlight this, hit Control H for the find and replace feature to pop up again. And I'm going to enter this expression. I'm going to enter space. Basically what I'm doing is anything inside parentheses and the parentheses is going to be removed. Make sure I check this off. And when you check search using regular expressions, you also, it has to, have match casing. So that's why whenever I click on this, it also automatically clicks the match case. I hit replace all, and now the parentheses with the colors inside the parentheses, that's all gone. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.